Good morning mga idol. Habang nagpapatuyo tayo ng chemical, magta-try tayo ng isang kanta. Baka machamba ko to. Itong paborito kong kanta sa videoke. Try natin itong My Love Will See Through mga idol. Hanapin natin siya. Huwag natin kantayin. Baka sakaling machamba ko mga idol. Yung My Love Will See Through. Try natin kantahin mga idol. My love will see through. Yan. Yan po ang My love will see through. Try natin kantahin. Habang nagpapatuyo ako ng chemical mga idol, na bumuring ako eh. When times get through and your dreams just fall apart, and sometimes you feel that you can't go home. Be strong, hold on, for my love will keep you warm to the goal this night, to the rain, to the storm. When friends turn their backs on you, and you're so helpless, you don't know what to do. I'll be on your side to comfort you. My love will see you through. When tears are in your eyes and you feel you wanna cry, just reach out and I'll be around to understand. When you stumble and fall, and you need a shoulder to lean on, all you have to do is call, and I'll be there with a helping hand. When the road seems so long and endless, and all you see is nothing but darkness, don't give up, just walk on and paint in your heart, for my love will see you through. My love will see you through. When you reach for a star, when you across the deepest sea, when you cloudy eyes you, my love will always be with you in everything you do, in every step you make, in every road you take. Don't be afraid to follow your dreams, for my love will see you through. Thank you mga idol. Tinry lang natin yung My Love Will See Through. Kung pwede pa, naboring ako dahil naghihintay ako, nagpapatuyo kasi ako ng mga ginagawa ko, medyo basa pa. Kaya nag-try ako kumanta mga idol. Good morning mga idol.